Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. WhatsApp has launched a new update. Now you can have same WhatsApp account on multiple devices. It's a handy feature as if you have an iPhone and also an Android smartphone, you can chat and send messages from any device, whichever is in use. The only condition is that you should log in on your primary device once in 14 days. Let's see how we can do it. So my main WhatsApp account is on my iPhone. To have the same WhatsApp account on my Android smartphone, all I need to do is install WhatsApp application on my Samsung. Click on Accept and Continue. Here you don't have to enter any number, but click on the three dots on the side and choose the option Link to Existing Account. You will see a big scan barcode with some instructions. All you need to do is go to your main WhatsApp account on your iPhone and click on Settings. Then tap on Link Device. Again click on Link Device. You will see WhatsApp will allow you to scan the Android scan code. Click on OK and take your Android smartphone near to your iPhone and scan the code. Once you scan it, you'll be automatically logged into WhatsApp chat with all your chats copy-paste here, and you can control your WhatsApp account from any device. If for some reason you don't see the link WhatsApp account option, kindly update your WhatsApp and you should see this option soon. Kindly update your WhatsApp from your App Store or Play Store and you should be able to see this option. In the same manner, you can also connect your iPad, or if you have a PC or Mac. This feature is really handy. Previously, you were able to connect your iPhone or Android to your PC or Mac or even an iPad. But with this new update, you can use multiple smartphones with the same WhatsApp account. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.